Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzu billahi minesh-shaytanir-rajim. Let us discuss. It is a great honor and pleasure for me to discuss the issue of environmental disaster, cloud blasting, and deforestation. First of all, I would like to express myself that there are 5 provinces and every province has minister, climatic minister, and DG, EPAs, and there are secretaries. So all those people, secretaries may be come together under the federal minister, Sadiq Malik Saab, and under the prime minister, and sit down and check out a program how to protect Pakistan from the flooding. Around 3,000 villages were affected by the in Punjab flood 2025, and there is a need of dams and mega dam and even a small check dams in every province. And then we always complain that there is a shortage of water. Now this water, how to store it and how to store this water and how to this water must reach to Sindh, and they claim that there is a shortage of water, and Kalabagh dam must not be developed because of the reason that if we make Kalabagh dam, then there will be a lot of part of NWFP, KPK underwater, and also the water will not reach to Sindh. So we need to make dam, and also we need to also we need to store water and for the future of Pakistan and for the agriculture purposes and also for the electricity generation. So let me discuss the environmental problems, issues, type of environmental problems, etc. Environmental issues include climatic change, greenhouse effect, and global warming, characterized by rising global temperature due to greenhouse gas emission from the human activities like burning of fossil fuels. Other major concerns are pollution of air, water, and land, biodiversity loss from habitat destruction and overfishing, deforestation, water scarcity, and resource depletion. These interconnected problems threaten ecosystems and human societies, requiring collective actions and sustainable practice to mitigate their impacts. Key environmental issues are climatic change, pollution, biodiversity loss, deforestation and habitat degradation, water scarcity, water management, resource depletion, and these issues are largely driven by human activity, include industrialization and urbanization, intensive farming and overgrazing, overpopulation, and these are let us discuss it one by one. Yes, the climatic change, a long-term shift in weather patterns primarily caused by the release of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane from burning of fossil fuels, leading to global temperature increase, sea level rise, and more frequent extensive weather events. Pollution is the contamination of the air, water, and soil with harmful substances, including chemical waste and microplastic, which negatively impact the human health and ecosystems. Biodiversity loss, cutting of forest, the decline and extinction of species, and the destruction of the habitats driven by human activities such as deforestation, intensive agriculture, and overfishing. Deforestation and habitat degradation, the clearing of forests for agriculture, urban development, and resource extraction, leading to soil erosion, a loss of biodiversity, and reduction in the Earth's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide. Water scarcity, desertification, the lack of sufficient accessible freshwater resources to meet human and ecological needs, exacerbated by climatic change, drought, and insufficient water use. Waste management, the generation of waste, amount of waste, particularly plastics, and the challenges of its disposal and recycling, which contribute to pollution and resource depletion. Resource depletion, the unsustainable consumption of natural resources like fossil fuels, minerals, and forests offer rates faster than they can be naturally replenished. Causes and impacts. These issues are largely driven by human activities, anthropogenic activities, including industrialization and urbanization, leading to increased energy demand, pollution, and habitat conversion. Intensive farming and overgrazing, causing land degradation, nutrient pollution, and increased greenhouse gas emission. Overpopulation, placing increased pressure on natural resources and contribution to environmental degradation. The impacts of these issues are far-reaching, affecting the stability of ecosystem, human health, and of water scarcity, security, and so there are the flood, 13 lakh cubic of water, 3,000 villages of the Punjab underwater. Abu Nir, the thunder of rain. This has destroyed the whole infrastructure, the villages. More than 500 people killed over there due to mass cutting of forests and due to destruction of the crushing stones and not friendly with the environment. So in Karachi, the roads are underwater. In Peshawar, the boats are in the streets to water. And now so I think that 13,000 cubic of water is going to southern Pakistan. So I think there are good PC1 with the climatic change and with the former DG Asif Shujaa Khan, and he must come forward and make a PC1 and a program for the Pakistan to protect Pakistan from the environmental disaster, flooding, cloud bursting, etc. Thank you very much.